Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's August 23rd, 2025. It's about 8:20 in the morning. Down here a little bit early as I have a road trip to go see family. It's about 4.5 hours away from here. So I've just topped off the waters. I have hay on the golf cart, ready to drop off with animals. So anyway, Charlie's gonna be taking over for tonight's feeding, and plus in the morning, then we'll be back for tomorrow evening's feeding. It's like 69 degrees right now. There's lions in the sky, some clouds. Supposed to have a heat warning again, but looks like that might have died off a little bit. So hopefully the temperature is not too hot today where we're going. Well, here the 7-Eleven chickens came back around to go back in the barn, but I shut the door since I'm not going to be here. I don't know, they got food over in our pen that they adopted. Sally likes them. Sally's playing with the birds. Yeah, they know where they're being fed. Oh, JD keeps picking on the pig. Well, they're all happy for now. Well, gotta get ready. We're leaving here pretty quick. The town I'm going to is called Chewelah. At least I believe that's how it's pronounced. So, I'll catch you later.